This particular fail happened here at the installation of this garden gate. When it comes to installing a garden gate, you basically need to watch out for three things. The gate needs to be flush with the fence. That's in a good case scenario. The top of the gate should be on the same height as the top of the fence here. We'll call it close enough on this one. And of course the gate should close, which it doesn't. No matter how much you try to slam this gate, it's not going to close. Also because there's a bracket here behind it, this one here, which stops the gate from moving in this direction any further. And even if it moved further that way, that would just make the gate misaligned or over close, and it doesn't help with closing here, because you can see that the latch on the door side here doesn't go into the strike plate. This rusty piece of metal is the strike plate. In the strike plate there is a hole, and you can see that the latch hits the strike plate there and completely misses the hole by about ½ an inch. Now the latch is smaller than the cutout here on the strike plate by about, I don't know, 3 millimeters. So you have about up and down 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters room to play with, but this is misaligned by this vertically misaligned by such amount that this is not working. It never has worked. You can see that all this wear on the rusty plate is here. It never worked at any given time. The guy was an idiot. We have proof of this because the guy tried to fix it at the point of installation by placing no fewer than 5 different washers here behind the strike plate, which moves the strike plate out horizontally in this way. It does not help with the vertical alignment whatsoever. 5 different washers at 5 different instances were placed here, up and down, different sizes of washers of course, because why bother with something uniform even if it doesn't work or doesn't help. So that's how this looks like. And just to decorate the cake or finish the installation, also this strike plate here is misaligned this way. So the screw on the bottom is closer to the face of the fence post here than the top. So the top screw here was drilled in at the wrong spot. That's why the whole thing is crooked this way, just a few degrees there. The person who was trying to install it or left it undone was clearly overwhelmed by in the mental department by this task.